ladies and gentlemen. Came to give you exactly what you asked for here. Move that project. I'm a science, never the same, and nobody else can do it better. Show them how it's supposed to be done with a force that can't be compared. Let's keep your hands wide, cause we finally here.
This is the cannonball approach to knock the world against the ropes. See, we fight until we die, and ain't no stopping till we blow. This is all-out warfare for the need to be heard and serve these cats that are worthless, revenge and a bird. We've risen through the mist of lies and politics with hard work and sweat, swinging arms with iron fists to destroy the structure, trickle down economics. We bum rush the sideshow and watch a career plummet, built up with aggression that we channel through cables to release every time it rotates on turntables. We bang what the fiends are begging to hear. We live for our peoples and that's always sincere. With a golden idea, we drudge through the marshes, surrounded by peons trying to play like they sergeants. Already been through the worst, only surviving on thirst. So before you grab the mic, I suggest you go work. Do y'all really want this?
Is y'all really ready?
We steady with the aim, hitting targets with no worry.
Hitting mics with a fury and destroy your assumptions.
Anyone who wants this,
We cut down your options.
do y'all really want this?
Is y'all really ready?
We steady with the aim, hitting targets with no worry.
Hitting mics with a fury and destroy your assumptions.
Anyone who wants this,
We cut down your options.
My motives seem to have a purpose. It's bubbled in the underground and risen to the surface. Catch the sweaty palms, dead and gone promises. Premise of the platform, delegates, politics. Poker face commandos with steel chains and pistols. Historically found ways to smooth out the issues. Chroming sidearms so rocket can knock from. We melt through your psyche and cut down your options. Sticker shock paid a ultimate price, like we backed out of blackouts and cut back the lights. Musical chairs with these comfortable cushions, so cats on the stairs can talk brave and act pussy. And shadow in the window with a Malcolm silhouette, when a sock stuffs your mouth with a mountain of regret. Dilator boom back, modern day prophets, apocalyptic allies, applied triple optics.
do y'all really want this?
Is y'all really ready?
We steady with the aim, hitting targets with no worry.